Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cat by Nagendra. So in this video we are going to see how to create basic sketcher in CATIA design. Now let's create this particular sketch in CATIA. So to create this sketcher, as you can see here, we are having origin point is here. It means from which point we are having maximum dimensions, that point we will consider as origin point, and always we will try to maintain origin point at center. Why? Because to make this mirrors and all axis system, if it is at center, it will be easy for us to make it all these mirrors or any other transformation features. Now let's create this circle here with a diameter of 56. Just I will enter into here part design by using start, then let's say okay. Now we have entered into part design, so to enter into sketcher we need to click on here sketch option, and we need to create sketch either on front plane or right plane or top plane we need to select. Now let me create one simple sketch on this front plane. Then we are having one circle here. Dimension for that we are having diameter of 56. Let's get this diameter of 56. Next to that we are having this shape. So this entire shape directly we can create by using here one center point rectangle exactly from origin like this. Then by using here quick trim, let me trim this unwanted elements by selecting by double clicking on this trim to use continuously. Then dimension for this profile we are having width of 23, and from this two axis system origin we are having here 35. By using constraint, this width we are having here 23. Dimension from line to this we are having here 35. Then next to that, now as you can see here, this shape profiles total we are having here 6 elements. So in that case, one original profile we can create, and by using this rotate option, you are able to create multiple features, but all profiles it will come under constraint as we have discussed in earlier tutorials. So whenever we are having these multiple profiles in circular motion, all these we need to get by using mirror only. Now let's create this entire features by using mirror option. So for that, one original one we need to create. Exactly we will create on this vertical axis here. Now to create this profile, we are having here two circles, one with diameter of 40, one more with diameter of 60. This center point of the circle should be exactly on this 219 diameter construction circle. Now first let's create this construction circle with a diameter of 219. Let me create one circle here. This should be construction, so select the element. Here we can use this construction or standard element to convert into construction. Later again I will turn off that. Then dimension for this we are having here 219. Now we need here two circles exactly on this vertical axis, that too on this construction circle with a diameter of 40 and 60. Let's create two circles exactly on this horizontal on this vertical axis with same on this construction circle. Let me create two circles here. By using constraint, dimension for this we are having diameter of 40. For outer one we are having diameter of 60. Like this. Then two vertical lines we are having with a distance of 20. So to create these profiles we need support of this circle. So for this support we are having diameter of 120 circle. Let me create one more circle here. Dimensions for this we are having here diameter of 120. Then next to that, just I will create one line from this circle to this. It should be a straight line, so it should be highlighting in blue color. Same line we need this side, we can make it here mirror with reference to this. Then by using constraint, dimension between line to line we are having here distance of 20. Then this unwanted elements we can trim here by using quick trim. We don't want this circular profile, and this one, let's trim that. Then whatever the shape we are having here, Same shape we need here in circular motion of total 6. So whenever we are having this circular motion profiles, we need to go here with mirror option. Now let's consider here total we are having here circumference of the circle 360 and total elements we need here 6. So if we calculate 360 by 6, you will get here 60 degrees. It means if one profile is at 0 degree, one more you want at 60 degrees. So this 0 to 60, if you want to make mirror, we need one center line here with inclination of 60 by 2, 30 degrees we needed. It means just we'll create one axis line from this to this somewhere here. Then angle between this vertical axis to inclined line we will give here 30 degrees. Why? Because once if we make this shape mirror with reference to this, whatever the distance we are having here, it will get doubled this side. Now just I will select this what we want to make mirror here. Then mirror that with reference to this construction circle. Then same profile we need here. Let me select this. We'll make it mirror with reference to again this vertical. You will get opposite to that. Then again all these three we need a downside with reference to this horizontal axis. Just we will select here like this and we will make it here mirror with reference to this horizontal axis opposite to that we will get. Then just by using here quick trim we will trim this unwanted elements. Like this we are able to create this particular sketch. Now as you can see here, these symbols are related to mirror option. So if you want to turn off all the options at a time in visualization toolbar, first one we are having here diagnostics. It means it will give color coding, either our sketch is showing in green color, white color or purple color. Next we are having here dimensional constraints. If I turn off this, all dimensions will get hidden. Then next we are having here geometrical constraint. All relations will be hidden here. Now as you can see the proper shape of this particular sketch like this. Now let me turn on all these options and we will check either our sketch is correct or wrong by using here under tools toolbar sketch solving status. Just I will click on that. As you can see our sketch is ISO constraint. Then our particular sketch is correct. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. If any doubts you have regarding this, please let me know in comment box. And maximum people simply they are watching videos and just they are leaving. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.